Good day, grade fives. I hope you all are doing well and enjoying math so far. So, today I just want to talk a little bit about our assessment schedule for the first term. As you would have seen on the assessment program, your mathematics assessments are start to become due in March. So, in the first week of March, I will be guiding you guys further on the types of assessments and what needs to be done ahead going forth with maths for this term. But if we're looking at today's work, we are on day 2. So I'm going to start by sharing my screen. So we're looking at day 2, subtracting 2, 3, and 4 digit numbers. And it says refer to day 2 of the worksheet and complete exercise 2. So I'm going to also open up our worksheet. There we go. So subtracting 2, 3, and 4 number digits. So when subtracting 2, 3, or 4 digit numbers, the steps are the same as addition. Example, if we've got 5,560 minus 2,170, we can break that up into 5,000 plus 500 plus 60. So we're basically breaking up our thousands, hundreds, and tens column. And then we're saying minus 2,000 plus 100 plus 70. We're breaking down further our thousands, hundreds, and tens column. So then we end up with 5,000 minus 2,000. So you can subtract your thousands column from your thousands column. Guys, please just give me a second. There's a bit too much of noise in my background, so I'm just going to go sort that out and come back. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that. Sometimes when you're doing your live video recordings and people are obviously still at home, so they don't realize it. Anyway, so we're back here. So I was trying to explain how we take the thousands column and we subtract that. So we take the 5,000 minus the 2,000 and subtract that. Here at the bottom, you can see we've got 3,000. Then we do the hundreds column separately. So we took the 500 minus the 100 separately, and then we're getting 400. So we brought that down there. Then after that, we're looking at our units column. And we've got 60 and 70. So 60 minus 70, right? That's actually 160 minus 70. And then we can bring it all onto one side and figure that out. It says note, as 60 minus 70 is not possible, we transferred 100 across. I'm actually going to teach you guys a bit of an easier method to do this. All right, so we're going to open up our Jamboard. Shit, I closed it by mistake. Right, so we're opening up our Jamboard. I'm just going to go back to the page to refer to it, and let's just copy that, copy and paste it. Hopefully we can paste it. Let's place a text box and then place it in there. Paste. Right, so if we've got 5560 minus 2170. The easiest way to do it would be to take the last column the zeros and subtract it from itself. So you're going to end up with 0 minus 0, which would just give us 0. Then 6 minus 7, we can't really minus that and get an answer, but we're going to get a negative 1, right? So what we're going to do here is, because we're getting a negative 1, we're going to leave that out, and we're going to rather work with 56 minus 17. Right, so what is 56 minus 17? You can try and use your calculators for that. And here you are getting 39. And then lastly, we do 5 minus 2, which is 3. So answer is 3390, which is the same as what they have there. Okay, so it's much easier to do it that way than to do it this way here. I'll also do A for you guys. So 2,578 minus 2,323. Take note though, if you do want to do it this way, it's perfectly fine as long as you're coming to the right answer. It's just that as we progress onto grade 6 and 7, you guys will mainly be working with stuff like this. And you will have to do it the way that I'm showing you how to do it now. So it's good to actually start practicing by using the method that I'm working with right now. So let's paste here too so I can see what that is. Can we shift digits? Doesn't seem like we can. Never mind, let's just draw. Right, so we've got 2,578 minus 2,323. So first subtract the 3 from the 8. So 8 take away 3. That's going to give us 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 5. So we're left with the number 5. Then we're looking at our next column. We got 7 minus 2. So that's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Another 5 in that column. Then we've got 5 minus 3. So that's 4 and 5. So we just got 2. And then 2 minus 2, 0. So our answer is 255. And that's how you would work out all of these using that method. But as I've said, if you're comfortable using the method in the worksheet, then by all means, go ahead and use that method to work this out. So I would like you guys to complete exercise 2, numbers 1 and 2 for today. And that is it for today. We can end it there. Number 2 also says calculate the sums found in question 1 by breaking up the numbers as shown in the example above. So you can go ahead and attempt that for A to E. If you're fine with working it out the way that we have just done so on the Jamboard, then you can just do from 1A to E, and there's no need to really do number 2. Okay, so there will be leeway for that. Okay, I hope you guys have enjoyed today's mini lesson, and I will see you again next week.